In this video, we're exploring the ASUS ROG Flow Z13, a gaming laptop that combines raw power and portability in one sleek package. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming laptop in the description below at the best price. The Flow Z13 is designed for gamers and creators who demand high performance on the go, and its AMD Ryzen AI MAX plus 395 processor ensures it delivers just that. With 16 Zen 5 cores, 32 threads, and an RDNA 3.5 GPU with 40 compute units, this machine handles heavy gaming, multitasking, and content creation without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features is the 13.4-inch 2.5K touchscreen display with a 180Hz refresh rate. This screen not only supports Dolby Vision HDR but is Pantone validated, ensuring vibrant and accurate colors. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, the visuals are crisp, smooth, and immersive. Plus, the touchscreen functionality adds a layer of convenience for creative workflows. Memory and storage are also top-notch. With 32GB of LPDDR5x RAM, multitasking is seamless, and applications load instantly. The 1TB PCIe SSD provides fast read/write speeds, making game installs and file transfers almost instantaneous. Coupled with the slim, portable chassis, this laptop manages to pack desktop-level performance into a 13.4-inch frame. Graphics are handled by the AMD Radeon 8060S, which strikes a balance between gaming efficiency and creative performance. It may not replace a full desktop GPU for extreme workloads, but for most AAA titles and content creation tasks, it's more than capable. Connectivity options are versatile, including USB-C with DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, microSD support, and compatibility with the XG Mobile external GPU for those who want a power boost. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensure modern wireless performance. The keyboard is a one-zone RGB backlit chiclet design. It's responsive and stylish, though hardcore gamers may miss per-key RGB customization. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, offering advanced productivity and gaming features. On the downside, battery life can be modest under heavy workloads, and the integrated GPU may struggle with extremely demanding creative applications. However, the combination of portability, performance, and a premium touchscreen experience makes the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 an impressive choice for gamers and creators alike.